Menteri Rangba Kejelam Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma hagasing ba arjong katayo ulalu megajingelang ban bishar benia halor kurkom trekam jong hendriu teli kitanat sarkar ban ken mau kejingda prasnem ke sarkar MDA. Bat kamtam Jingpynkhreh kejela na kebentaban penlong ya ke National Games. Haga katsau terik uyayong arajar arpun rio Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula penlong ya kejingelang ban bishar halor kurkom trekam jong ki hendriu teli kitanat sarkar ban ken mau kejingda prasnem ke sarkar MDA. Kani kejingelang kede ban ken tiuru ke rukom trekam mekinong ba Jingpynkhreh ke National Games bat kejing penbiang ya ke rukom penmi pisa kejela. Abakiran ni kelat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ula kentu bandan kejing trilang bat ki shnong baper ban pen Khot ke Shillong Jowai bat tura. Haga balai tair alor ke kompaniat ke waste management bat ke waste water. Labi syar benia Jingpynkhreh berkentup ya ki jingtei kata ki infrastructure ki jaka syong jakasa bat kalit kawan na kebenta kinong ilakai. Menteri Rangba uli tu beladan ke Jingpynkhreh benseng ya ke Center of Excellence fa agar Meghalaya. Kabala ban plia ya kalat ban yo ban Khot bat ban kentiru ya ki kam ki bedai bat ke yo ke Khot. Layo ru banimir jingmut ban kentiau ya ke jing siu khajna na ke tenat forest bat ban pen bhai ke kom sensyar ki klau ki betap ban pen bit pen biang ya ke jing penan kami ki mar jong ke MTC nang ban kentiau ke kom yat ki kali sarkar. Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru bagi sarkar jela kan sesedang ya ke jingwat beniak ke bati kena hak ubah jemang bantip ya ke tenrai ke temei jong dijat benreu kasi jantia bat garo. Ke sarkar kelatung artli ki komiti ke wain ke benta kathan kasi jantia ke waipat na ke benta ki garo. Conrad Kongkal Sangma uli tu bakani ke jingwat beniak kan omdai tang halor ke riti dostur nrai kan kentup ru ya ke DNA mapping bagi jingwat ya ke jingisno jengka ketien bat kibi jat benreu. Ula benrap babandan ke jingtho lan ke dokumen ke basisha ke bakentup ya ke jingsisha ni ke fax ke biok lengba ke jingshem ke balak ban pensisha ke history jong ke jat benreu. Ini ke jingtrai kan cempor kumba khatra hadu arp sau benai bak sarkar kan trailang bat kitanat wat benia bat tebet nakari bat nashabari.
As you're aware that we have put up two committees specifically to look into the Khasi Jaintia and one committee to look into the roots of the Garo tribe. So therefore, one committee that look into the roots of the Khasi and Jaintia, the tribes, and one that look into the roots of the Garo tribe, and do a detailed research, including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages, and connect with different researchers to document different aspects of both the Khasi Jaintia tribes and the background, and also for the Garo community. And we're doing this because, as I said, we would like to see that more documentation, more research, and more facts are available, so that all these documentations which had not been done in the past can be done. So this was again discussed today. We'll be formally launching this particular research program in the month of May, but we did the preliminary study. In fact, the team has started working from February itself, and we will further take this research, which would in fact entail discussions with different institutes at national level, even at international level, and go into the in-depth analysis of the roots of our different tribes in the state.